everybody, it's Neil. I have some icicle lights. These are going to be sweet. Just like that, it hangs down. It's going to be a lot of them, I guess. Here, it's a big box. Okay, well, let's see how these are going to work. I have a little portable power apparatus here. Looks like the AC should be on. So let's see what happens when we plug it in. Ooh, look at that. Okay, oh, that's gonna change colors. Oh man, this would be great. Okay, so the way these will work is they're gonna string across and then they will string down as it goes. Boy. Okay, so let's see, let's open this one up here. These are gonna be fun. I don't wanna make it too, I don't wanna ruin it. So this, I guess this is gonna be the little controller for it. And this is gonna show the top piece. So the top piece is going to go across, right? There we go. And then each one of these comes down. You see, so there's a cross beam, and as it goes down the cross beam, they all will hang down like this. There, like that. You get the idea. These are a certain mode here. I guess I could probably change the modes somehow. Look it up and see what we need to do to make it all work. I'll just look it up and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go see how the modes all change. The modes are all automatic. It's pretty cool actually, so it's cool. I don't have to mess with it or anything like that. I guess this is just the controller. There's no way to control the controller, so you just mount that up as well. And then all these icicles will be hanging down. There's a ton of them here. Be hanging down all over the place, all over your eaves or whatever. I'll put them across my the house somewhere here shortly, and you'll be able to see it at night. So next video will be these at night. Cool, thumbs up. Check it out, that's what it looks like here. So pretty. That looks really neat. That's so cool. Look at how pretty. Nice.